Are you wondering what the best shop vac is for this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly which one to choose. Hey guys, it's 7 Top Rated, and in today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best shop vacs on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the product shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 5 is the Armor All 2.5-gallon Utility Wet Dry Vacuum. If you're tired of paying for an oversized shop vac for your small workspace, then wouldn't it be great to have a smaller, more affordable shop vac that doesn't threaten to blow out your eardrums? The Armor All 2.5-gallon Utility Wet Dry Vacuum is small, compact, lightweight, and portable, with a top handle making the unit easy to manage. It has a 2.5-gallon polypropylene and ABS canister tank that is big enough to handle dust, dirt, and other contaminants in one vacuum, and a 6-foot 1.5-inch hose that is big enough to suck in bigger objects. Moving on, as with most wet-dry shop vacs, it features a cloth filter and foam sleeve to allow for an effective mess cleanup. You'll also receive a hose and onboard accessory storage to keep attachments organized. The 10-foot power cord allows you lots of room, particularly when coupled with the 6-foot hose. We were very pleased with the performance of the Armor Compact Shop Vacuum. It's powerful but lightweight at below 8 pounds and gives you consistent performance. It performed especially well with fine dust and debris, but you may benefit from a filter upgrade with this shop vac if you need to pick up sawdust or soot on a regular basis. Additionally, the Armor All 2.5-gallon is equipped with a 2-horsepower peak motor, and this vac features an easy conversion to use it as a blower along with an automatic shutoff to prevent overflow, which is a nice feature. You also get a crevice tool, a brush, a car nozzle, detail accessories, and blower accessories all in the box, which we really liked. To conclude, the Armor All 2.5-gallon Utility Wet Dry Vacuum is a solid entry-level vacuum that provides consistent mess-removing power. If you're looking for a good budget shop vac, then we highly recommend this model as one of the best shop vacs available right now. At number 4 is the Vacmaster 12-gallon 5-peak horsepower wet and dry vacuum. The Vacmaster VBV1210 is a robust and versatile shop vac that performs just as well as a blower. It's designed for large jobs, but it can manage small messes around the house easily as well. Design-wise, the tank color is dark blue and made of durable polypropylene with a nice bright finish, and it moves around on 4 360-degree caster wheels, which are quick to install. Despite its size, the Vacmaster is not needlessly bulky and weighs a manageable 17 pounds. Moving on, the tank can hold up to 12 gallons of dust, waste, or water. The motor at its peak reaches 5 horsepower, and the vacuum can suck up 2 gallons of liquid in 3.9 seconds, which is useful to get water out of your basement fast if there's ever a flood. One thing we really appreciated with this shop vac is the large drain port at the bottom of the tank, which is a great time saver to dump waste into the drain. As for filtration, it has a cartridge filter for cleaning dry debris, but includes a foam filter you can switch to for liquid spills. The cartridge filter was simple to install and remained amazingly clean even after a few passes. The best thing about this Vacmaster is its thick hose. The diameter of this hose is 2.5 inches and can be used up to a length of 7 feet. Additionally, the Vacmaster VBV1210 comes with 8 different attachments. There are 2 extension wands, meaning you can do floor to ceiling without having to bend or overreach for the dust and cobwebs. Before we end, we really like the extra blower attachment too. While most of the shop vacs in our review convert to a blower, few manufacturers thought to include a blower nozzle that helps spread the air out to cover a wider area, which this model has. To conclude, the Vacmaster VBV1210 is a versatile vacuum that could become the only vacuum you need for home or garage use that also works great as a standalone blower. We think this is one of the top shop vacuums on the market. At number 3 is the Workshop Wet Dry Vac WS1600VA High-Capacity Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. If you're searching for a workhorse that you won't have to stop to empty every few minutes, consider the Workshop 16-gallon Wet Dry Vac, with its durability, power, and plenty of attachments. Design-wise, it boasts a copolymer drum which offers improved protection towards dents and cracking. and has a handy drainage port at the bottom of the unit for emptying out any liquids. One nice feature is it has an extra long 20-foot power cord with a built-in cord wrap on the top of the unit, which was a big plus for us. The casters on this unit are smaller but are still of excellent quality. They are perfect for a shop, but are not ideal for rough outdoor surfaces or rolling over hoses, especially when it's full of gallons of water. With a 6.5 peak horsepower motor that draws 169 cubic feet per minute through its 2.5-inch hose. Typically, this means it can move water at a rate of 1 gallon per second, which we consider more than enough in a basement flood situation. We also like the neat little built-in auto shut-off float that senses when the liquid level in the drum nears capacity, and then shuts off the vacuum, which also prevents any overflow accidents. Moving on, the 7-foot dual flex hose can flex 180 degrees and features a locking adapter that keeps the hose securely connected to the vac. Additionally, the filter system is a quick lock design and allows you to change between 3 different filter types without additional tools. Filter choices include one for dry vacuuming and one for wet, with the further option of a HEPA media filter. The vac has a blowing port which allows you to use the vac as a blower. And for attachments, the Workshop Shop Vac includes a wet nozzle, a utility nozzle, a car nozzle, 2 extension wands, but no crevice attachment, which isn't really a deal breaker. To conclude, let's face it, vacuuming is not anyone's favorite task. But when you combine the affordable price with the power, I feel this Workshop WS1600 VA is a good deal for anyone who is in the market for a shop vac. At number 2 is the Stanley 5-gallon Wet Dry Vacuum. Stanley vacuums are ideal for both wet and dry pickups and come in sizes ranging from 1 to 12 gallons. We are reviewing the popular 5-gallon Wet Dry Vacuum today, which features a powerful motor with industry-leading performance, which provides maximum suction power for a heavy-duty pickup that will help you conquer any job, wet or dry. From a design viewpoint, it has a durable, rugged poly case that will not crack or dent and has a low-profile center of gravity to prevent tipping. It has a strong handle for easy carrying and a large on-off switch with water-resistant design for safe and quick access. We like that the accessory storage casters keeps your tools organized and provides ease of movement in any direction when using the vacuum. Plus, it has a convenient built-in 10-foot power cord that provides significant area coverage without having to use extension cords, which is handy to have. We particularly like the built-in tank drain, which makes draining liquids easy and is an excellent feature of this Stanley 5-gallon Wet Dry Vacuum. Moving on, the powerful 3-horsepower motor provides excellent suction for both wet or dry materials and can hold up to 5 gallons of water, which is more than sufficient to handle most cleanup tasks. In addition, the Stanley Vac comes stuffed with accessories that include a 5-foot 1¼ inch hose, 3 extension wands, crevice nozzle, gulper nozzle, floor nozzle. Add to this the filters, and we thought the package is pretty comprehensive. Before we finish, it's worth mentioning that the vacuum has a powerful blower port that instantly converts the Wet Dry Vacuum into a power blower, which is ideal for cleaning garages and workshops in the colder months. To conclude, this reliable Stanley 5-gallon Wet Dry Vacuum comes at an affordable price, but the manufacturer didn't compromise on quality. We would recommend, and it's ideal for homeowners but more than capable of withstanding light-duty commercial demands as well. At number 1 is the Vacmaster VQ607 SFD Wet Dry Vacuum. The Vacmaster 6-gallon stainless steel Wet Dry Vac is ultra-lightweight, powerful, and portable. So this is ideal for use at home, in the garage, or at the workplace. The stainless steel tank offers a more professional look to the vacuum and will stand up to the rugged demands of any cleanup jobs. It weighs in at a little over 16 pounds and measures 14 by 8 by 13.2 by 20.5 inches. Plus, it has a robust set of wheels. Even at 3 horsepower, this VQ607 SFD Wet Dry Vacuum has more than enough suction to deal with everyday dirt and debris in your home. As for the drum, it's 6 gallons, which is about average for the size. It's taller than it is wide and has a large drain plug on the bottom as well, which is useful to have. Moving on, the power cord is 12 feet, so it is easy to manage and is just about right for home use. And it wraps up nicely when not in use, which we liked. The hose is 7 feet long, of medium strength, and we wouldn't hesitate to call it uncrushable. A quick note about the filters. The cartridge filter is included along with a foam sleeve and a dust bag. That suggests you will be able to deal with any spill immediately and won't need to buy extra filters right away, which is always a good thing. Also, the tools included with the Vacmaster VQ607 SFD are of reasonable quality. They do ride along well on the vacuum. The company designed the tool holder to be out of the way, and it's a small but nice feature. What about the vacuum as a blower? You can do that, but shouldn't expect wonders due to the overall horsepower in this vacuum. It can shift a pile of leaves or blow dust fine, but it's just not as powerful as larger models. To conclude, if you're in the market for a lightweight shop vacuum that looks good and won't drain your wallet, you may have found it. With a price tag that's hard to argue with, could be a perfect choice. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and we will get back to you. Catch you soon.